Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911. I'm on a roof in McLean, Virginia, and the homeowner has many damaged aluminum ridge vents that are causing roof leaks. And over here, the plywood is really spongy. So that tells me that the plywood is rotten and it has to be removed and replaced. Now, all these ridge vents, they all have exposed nails. They were never sealed, but even if they were sealed, they would still have the leaks. In order to stop leaks from aluminum ridge vents, they have to waterproof underneath. But aluminum ridge vents on this home is not a good idea, especially when the house is surrounded by trees and many of the trees are overhanging the roof, as you can see over here. And this ridge vent here is all damaged. And here you can see the nails are pulling out, but also you can see very clearly it was never sealed underneath. So, all these ridge vents have to be replaced. Now, also having a lot of leaves in the valleys can also cause problems, especially if there's no ice and water shield underneath it. It can cause water to dam up, and then the water will back up underneath the shingles and leak inside the home. Also, they have a leak on both sides of the chimney. And whoever installed the counter flashing, did a sloppy job. It's very, very high. I personally would have cut into the mortar and inserted the flashing within the mortar. But also the flashing completely around it, the step flashing, they put nails in the flashing, and just one nail can cause a leak. Also, they have a leak right in this area here because of this ridge vent being damaged. So I would highly recommend to remove and replace all these aluminum ridge vents and go with a Cobra or a shingle vent too. They're made out of plastic and the cap shingles go on top of them, and it's a much stronger, more durable material. So again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in McLean and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.